how are you today? Would you like to empower your children at no cost? If yes, then keep watching. Today it's going to be a different kind of video. I'm going to meet a VIP. This VIP is 5-year-old and he has been using light keys to create a lot of magic. He had shared his video recently in Facebook that literally melted a lot of our hearts. We are going to meet Tanay right now. I'm going to play the video before that. Look at the video and then we will go and meet Tanay and see what inspiration we can get from him.
Lightmatrix, here comes and transmute this waves of kindness, waves of kindness, waves of kindness. Lightmatrix, here comes and transmute this waves of kindness, waves of kindness. Lightmatrix, here comes and transmute this waves of kindness, waves of kindness. Bye bye.
Okay, you are my VIP today, Tanay. How are you doing today?
Fine.
You are good? Okay, so you have been creating waves with the light keys, right? I saw your video and my heart melted.
That's what I'm so happy about it.
Okay, so tell me, how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Okay, so who taught you light keys?
My mother taught me like the first I didn't, but my mother taught it, and now I just take the video in the garden of her because that time that was Independence Day.
Okay, so your mother taught you first, and then now you started doing it from Independence Day, is it?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
First also, but when we both just went down and saw our national flag.
Oh, I say, awesome. Okay, so what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Namrata Satpute.
Okay, what does she do? Do you know?
Yeah, I know little bit of her. She do pick a card reading and do so first she was doing decoupage, but now she leaves decoupage. Now she normally does tuition.
Oh, I say she does tuition and card readings. Okay, so what did you?
JVP.
And JBP. Oh, you know JBP?
Yeah, I know JBP, but I do normally, and I do sometimes, but I just do like this also.
That is so cute. Okay, what does JBP do? Do you know?
No, I don't know that.
Okay, so then why do you do? Do you do JBP?
No, I do like and transmute this.
Oh, I see. Can you repeat that for me? You do lightmatrix.
I do lightmatrix and transmute this and waves of kindness also.
Oh, I see. So when do you use it? Why do you use it?
I use it when it's little bit hard to do it, so I just do that and it got easy.
It got easy. Okay. Okay. Can you give me examples? Yeah,
like once we were in another house. I mean, not in another house. We were once in zoo and suddenly the rain got started and we got little bit wet. So a person saw the way to go out of because there were so nets, so we could not get. Just in that time, they just found us when we went a house on where there was a roof up, so we could get there safe.
Okay, so what did you do?
And stop the rain of that two things telling.
How did you do it?
just told it's every day and then it gets stopped. Lightmatrix can transmute this wave of kindness.
Oh, so it rained and you used light matrix and waves of kindness to stop the rain, is it?
Yes, my mother and father and my sister and me, we all told it.
Whoa, you all as a family, you use these tools. How awesome is that? You seem to be magical family. So does your mother use all these tools on you?
Yeah.
What happens? When does she use on you?
So I was just sleeping and that time when I told mother to do that 2 tools.
Oh, I see. Okay. So did you feel better after that?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Okay, so there are many children like you, right? Many children, they're going to watch this video. Okay. So do you want to teach them about waves of kindness and light matrix?
Yeah, I can teach.
Okay. So tell me how you can use waves of kindness.
Wave of kindness means they got kindness of it.
Okay.
And lightmatrix you can transmute is to go that.
I see. So waves of kindness, you are offering kindness to others. Light matrix, you are going to change something, correct?
Yeah, the lightmatrix means go that.
Oh, I
what
see.
That once.
Okay, so you are making it go. Okay, very good. So when do you think your friends can use, the other children can use waves of kindness, when they can use light matrix?
They can use when they are angry, when that then they can use lightmatrix and transmute this and waves of kindness when they are a little bit at angry in that.
Wow. You are really good. So when they are angry, they can use waves of kindness. Okay. So can they use waves of kindness when other people are angry?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Have you used waves of kindness when other people are angry?
I think so, but when my sister was once angry, I used that. Like Buffy cake and transmute.
Okay, right. So, does your mom get angry at you? Huh? Tanay, does your mom get angry with you?
Yes, sometimes she gets angry.
So, have you used waves of kindness on her? No? So, you see, use and see how it works on your mother, right? And recently, I know you got a little bit sick. How are you today?
And little bit fine, but not that much.
Okay, and you did ask me to send you light matrix, right? Yes, I did send you some energy. So thank you for asking me. Okay, so asking and receiving is also gift to other people. Do you know that?
Thank you, Auntie.
when you ask someone something, you are also gifting them. Yeah. Okay. So what else do you know about light keys other than waves of kindness and light matrix and JBP?
And not as just that key.
Okay. So do you want to learn more?
Not that much, when I'm little bit big or 7, 8, that time.
Very good. You are very, very clear. Huh? Okay. Right. So you know JBP. So have you received JBP? Has anybody run JBP on you?
My mother runs that sometimes.
Okay, how is it receiving JBP?
She do sometimes when they have little bit cold or something. That time she do JBPs.
Okay, how do you feel?
Nice.
Nice. Okay, right. So I want to send waves of kindness to everybody who is going to watch this video.
Yes. Lightmatrix, clear cancel, transmute this waves of kindness, waves of kindness, waves of kindness. Lightmatrix, clear cancel, transmute this waves of kindness, waves of kindness, waves of kindness.
Awesome! Received with gratitude, Tane. We all received. It was really kind of you. Yeah? Thank you so much. And I would like to invite you to be a facilitator whenever you are ready. whether now or in future. Because you are such a kind little boy, and you can create so much kindness in the world.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm inviting you, and thank you so much for talking to us. Do you want to say anything else to other children?
I can just use that key, the both keys.
Okay, good. Okay, so do you know kindness key, Tane?
Yeah, I know that.
You know.
I know that one. I know that one.
You know what do you do with kindness key?
I don't know that.
You don't know that. That's okay. Right. So have you heard about Rocky Learns Magic? It's a story. Have you heard that story? Rocky Learns Magic.
Oh yeah, I know that one.
You know that story? So next time, would you tell us that story?
Yeah, I just draw that. The kindness here. I just focus my camera. Okay.
Wow, you know the camera angle and all. Go for it. You draw and show it to us. Oh my God, Namrata, he's going to blow this world away, man. Oh, you got such a lovely boy. Ah, got it. Oh, you have beautiful keys. Awesome. Thank you. So, children who are listening in, you can see how Tane is empowered to create whatever he likes. He can change his mom's anger. He can change his fever. He can even stop rain. Would you like to learn as well? Can you all send waves of kindness to Tane as well for his gift, for him being our gift today? Thank you so much, Tane. Okay, Tane, I really enjoyed talking to you. Really enjoyed. And I love you so much, and I love your kindness. And thank you for being here in this world when we live. Okay?
And you.
Thank you. So if you like to empower your children with Light Key tools, there are many free courses available. Go to infinitehealing.co.uk and you can choose the free courses and register for them. And you can teach your children about Light Keys. I also have a story book in Kindle in Amazon. It's called Rocky Learns Magic. It's just about $1. You can purchase and read it to your children. It's a very fun way to learn about Light Keys. Okay, I invite you to empower your children and expand their universe right away. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can keep spreading love and light. Thank you. Bye.